So you want to know the worst part about mowing my lawn? This right here, the swing set. This is by far the most tedious obstacle in the yard. Let me show you how I navigate it. Now I'm going to preface this by saying that I have no issues having a swing set in my yard. My kids love it. Memories are made on this thing. Imaginations are stretched on this thing. It stays, no question about it. I would never tell you not to have a swing set. I would never recommend not having a swing set if you have kids. If you have kids and they don't have a swing set, get them a swing set. Now that being said, here are some of the things that you have to deal with and look forward to dealing with when you have a swing set. Step one, picking up extra things like socks and shoes. They go on the trampoline. Here's another sock. Train! Also, we have clothes and trash. The next step is to eliminate the obstacles so they don't get caught on the mower or on my head or neck and cause injury. So all of these need to be moved out of the way. I'm pretty sure this thing is broken, but it goes up here like this. Kind of. Just pull this down here like that. Now it's up out of the way. Very good. This goes up here like this. And then this is a two-step process on this one. This one goes up here, and then the middle one hooks up there. And then this guy will actually stay if you put it just right, like this up here. It's up kind of out of the way the best you can get it without taking it completely off. Now, on most days that I mow, I don't trim underneath the slides and around the ladders and around everything. I don't trim. I usually do this once a month. Most of the time I'll just mow around it, work my way around. I have a very nice pattern that I follow, and it just makes sense to get through everything and around the trampoline at the same time, no problem. But about once a month, I trim things up. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. All right, that looks much better, much cleaner, and it will only look that good for a couple weeks. But that's how I do that. And then the last part, obviously, is to mow. So let me show you my route for going in and out and around and about the swing set.
So I just want to take you through my thought process here and what's going through my mind as I navigate around the swing set. This first pass is simply the trim pass around the entire perimeter of the yard. I do go by the swing set, so I consider it to be part of that route. So I'm just getting up along the fence line, making sure that I have some room. And then the next time I come around, I stop at the swing set and I actually start navigating around the swing set itself. So this is around the climbing wall and the north slide, and this is also opening up a turnaround area for when I do the rest of the yard too. So I keep that in mind. I actually do 2 passes around, and you'll see that here to give me enough room. So Trying to get as close as I can to everything. There's a cargo net on the far end there. I want to get up as close as I can. And here is the second pass around, giving me a good turnaround area for later. Coming up through the middle of the swing area, make sure that's covered. And then I'm just coming back around here so that I can get close to that near slide by ladder there. And get the inside part. And now that I've reached the trampoline, I'm going to do a trim pass around the trampoline there. Get up as close as I can. Nice and easy. Looks really good. I'll go around there again later, just so I have enough room to turn around when I'm mowing the rest of the yard. Now that I've done that, I can go all the way back to the far ladder. There's a pole that the kids can slide down there, like a fire pole. Get around that and finish getting around inside of the swing area, get around that far ladder there, opposite of that other slide, bring it back around, get the rest of that area there, and the second pass around the trampoline to finish it up.
All right, now the last step is more of a courtesy than anything, and that's, see, I told you this was broken. Maybe I'll leave it up on top of the ladder. But the last step is to put everything back the way you found it so that the kids can come out here and play and not have to do it themselves. Yeah, this one's probably done. We'll put it up here for now. There we go, all done. Now I can finish mowing the rest of the yard. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a big thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not already, and follow along for more helpful and entertaining lawn care content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.